Hello everybody. For today's blog post we're going to do a little math. And we're actually going to do the kind of math that's geometry. That's the study of shapes. So triangles, rectangles, circles. And I'm going to show you a shape that you might not have seen before. Before I do that though, I want to show you a shape that you should be familiar with. It's a piece of paper, it's a rectangle, and I drew a line down the middle of it. And I'm going to turn it into a ring. And I'm going to tape the ring. And I want you to make a prediction. I want you to predict what happens, what's going to happen, when I cut my ring along the line I drew. All right, so I've got some scissors, and I'm just going to cut along the line. And while I'm cutting, think about what's going to happen when I'm done cutting. All right, here we are. If you guessed there would be 2 rings, you were right. That was easy. I'm going to take the same piece of paper with a line in the middle, but before I tape it, I'm going to turn it. I'm going to make a little turn in it, and it's no longer a ring. It's a very special shape. It's called a Mobius Strip. So that little turn changes it, but I still have the line I drew. And the same thing, I want you to make a prediction. I'm going to cut down the middle, right along that line. And what do you think is going to happen this time? Ready? Were you right? Now this is actually not a Mobius strip. This has 2 turns in it. And I don't think it has a name. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. But it's one big loop that has 2 turns in it. All right, ready for another one? Same piece of paper, only this time I put 2 lines on it. If I tape it and I cut along both lines, I think you know what's going to happen. It would be 3 rings. But I'm not. I'm going to make a Mobius strip. So I put the turn in it. I got to tape it up here. Are you thinking about what's going to happen? All right, so here we go. I'm going to make a snip and then cut. So I'm cutting it along the line in thirds. And this is a Mobius strip. Now I will tell you, Champ made his prediction. He was wrong. To be fair, when I first did this the very first time, I was wrong with my prediction. All right, are you ready? We're almost there. Were you right? It's 2 loops. And the smaller loop is a Mobius strip. It has the 1 turn. And the bigger one is that other shape that has 2 turns in it. And I'm going to look up what that's called, if it has a name, because I'm not sure. Bye.